I enter the PIN of the phone, the passcode, and press next, and that's done. The interface might look a little bit different, and this might take a bit of time, but you have to be a little bit patient, and it's going to be okay. Check the battery level when you do that, and check that you have signal for Wi-Fi and for the mobile network, that everything is okay with the phone. Now you can use the phone, you can make a phone call. If you didn't use this phone for a long time, you have to check if the SIM card is there, and you can check if there is signal. You can also make a test phone call or receive a test phone call or send a message. The easiest is to check for Wi-Fi to make sure that you can connect to the internet with the phone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like below and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps this channel. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one to learn how to use your Android phone. Thanks for watching.